Hello everyone, welcome to our 24.3 update overview presentation today. My name is Aurélien Schuster. I am a senior program manager here at Stibo Systems, and I'm in charge of our global update communication. So obviously today I'm very excited to introduce all of you guys to all of the latest innovations and enhancements of our cloud-based multi-domain MDM platform. As you all know, over the past year, we've been committed to delivering quarterly updates to our software to ensure that our solution evolves in line with both your needs as well as the latest technological advancements. So if you will, without any further ado, let's now dive in 24.3 and discover together what this latest update has in store for you and for your business. So let's get started with our first initiative, JavaScript editor improvements. So businesses, they need to be able to configure distinct business logic and integrations within a supported platform. However, developers, partners often found that our current embedded editor was lacking essential features such as syntax highlighting, code formatting, help resources, code completion, unit test supports. So in order to address these needs, we have launched a project in the 24.3 update to enhance the JavaScript editor capabilities in STEP. So our goal is to provide both developers and partners with the tool that they actually need to be able to create, maintain, and test JavaScript business rules, and to do so more efficiently. With this update, we're focusing on two key areas. The first one is better support for editing JavaScript in an external editor. And the second one is support for method completion, as well as an access to API documentation from within the editor. These improvements will significantly enhance the development experience by providing a more powerful and a more intuitive environment for coding. Developers can now benefit from increased productivity, obviously fewer errors, and more robust integrations, ultimately leading to overall better business solutions. Let's now talk about the enhancements we have made to our self-service UI. Managing and updating STEP environments can often require significant support, which leads to delays. It can also lead to inefficiencies. So with this project, which actually started with an MVP end of 2020, our goal is to enable customers to manage and update their own environments without needing assistance from Stibo Systems. With 24.1, we upgraded the UI look and feel to align it with our renewed UI for STEP, to obviously enhance overall usability and the user experience. We followed up on that with 24.2 by introducing important improvements to further streamline the user experience whenever updating environments. Now with 24.3, we have added a new screen that actually now displays the schedule for update availability, as well as planned maintenance activities. So these enhancements bring value by enabling greater self-sufficiency for our customers, which can now manage updates and maintenance schedules more effectively, reducing downtime and therefore dependency on support. So next, let's look at our faceted search initiative, where we're taking our search capabilities to the next level in terms of user experience, ease of use, performance, and productivity. What do business users want? They want a powerful, efficient, and obviously easy to use search interface because accurate search results are critical. Admin users, on the other end, must also be able to make changes to the search configuration to meet the user requirements without compromising performance. So with 24.3, we've made some significant improvements to the reindexing process, and we moved it out of the Elasticsearch event processor. This enhancement provides several key benefits. So the first one is that changes to data will be incrementally updated in the Elasticsearch index during reindexing. Second, reindexing can be canceled without losing any of the events. Third, canceling reindexing no longer requires the cleanup of the event queues. And fourth, it is simpler for admin users to follow the progress of reindexing. So all of these improvements ensure that search results are accurate and that the search interface remains powerful and efficient. Admin users can now make necessary changes more easily, and they can also monitor the reindexing process more effectively, which overall enhances user satisfaction as well as the search experience itself. So let's now explore the improvements in our renewed UI for STEP. So once again, what do customers want? Well, pretty simple. They want a modern and intuitive user interface that provides both a seamless user experience and that, on the other hand, efficiently guides users to complete their tasks. If you're missing such an interface, that can lead to inefficiencies as well as frustration for users. So as part of our ongoing commitment to deliver a modern user experience for STEP, we're continuously extending the foundation and adding new capabilities to our renewed UI. It became generally available with 23.4, and ever since, we've been refining it on a quarterly basis. So with the 24.3 updates, we're introducing three major features. First, a new focused view for referenced objects, including enhanced navigation between these objects. Second, mass upload of assets with a new asset global import feature. And third, enhanced DTAP support for moving instrument configurations between source and target systems. So with these enhancements, we provide value by improving the overall user experience and the operational efficiency. The new focus view and the enhanced navigation make it easier to manage reference objects, while the Asset Global Import feature simplifies the mass upload of assets. Additionally, enhanced DTAP support ensures smoother transitions when moving configurations between systems, further streamlining operations. So now let's discuss our SAP Integration Guidelines initiative. It's designed to streamline the SAP integration process. We all know that integrating with SAP can be both challenging and time-intensive, and it's due to all of the complexities that are involved. Many customers struggle with integrating to SAP, once again, because of a lack of best practices that would help reduce all of these complexities. So with the 24.3 updates, we're introducing a comprehensive set of best practice guidelines that elaborates on how STEP can be leveraged to reduce the end-to-end complexities associated with SAP integrations. These guidelines can also be used to accelerate SAP R3, ECC, and S/4HANA migrations. Key aspects include discussing the most common SAP integration use cases, defining the recommended implementation approaches along with their limitations, and addressing the challenges associated with SAP integrations. These guidelines simplify the SAP integration process by providing simple, effective, and efficient implementation strategies. By following these best practices, customers will be able to reduce their integration complexities, accelerate migration processes, and meet market needs for streamlined, efficient SAP integrations. Now let's explore our new AI generative product descriptions feature. It's tailored to enhance how retailers manage product data. So retailers, especially the ones that are selling products with lower profit margins, must be very efficient with both the time and the resources they spend on preparing products for the market. The demand for smarter and more efficient methods of creating, enhancing, and transforming product data is also growing rapidly. So in response to this need, our 24.3 update introduces AI generative product descriptions. This feature that uses generative AI will help create product descriptions from prompt, will reduce the time and effort required to prepare products for the market. 3 key features are included in this update. The first one is generating product descriptions from simple prompts. The second one is choosing AI endpoints and models tailored to your needs. And the third one is being able to define usage parameters to ensure consistency and relevance. So by leveraging AI, retailers can optimize their resources and create quick, precise, and market-ready product descriptions. This continues to enhance operational efficiency, allowing retailers to maintain a competitive edge with their product creation. Let's now talk about our AI-assisted translation feature. It's designed to assist with straightforward product data translations for companies that are operating in multiple geographies. Companies selling products in multiple regions face high operational costs and significant time demands whenever translating product data manually. Efficient and accurate translations are essential for reaching global markets and to engage customers as well. So with the 24.3 updates, we're providing a new AI-assisted translation tool. It's a tool that enables users to translate product data quickly and accurately without needing to train the model. It supports translation into multiple chosen languages, and it provides fast and human-like translations. The AI translation tool enhances operational efficiency by reducing the time, the resources needed for manual translations. It helps increase sales and improves customer engagement by making product data readily available across different geographies. This feature streamlines the product introduction process and also improves time to market efforts. All right, so the next initiative I want to focus on is AI-assisted image discovery. It's aimed at improving data quality from images. Businesses need to ensure that their images meet data standards and generate relevant keywords to enhance the overall data quality. However, we know that achieving this manually is often time-consuming and unfortunately prone to errors. So with the 24.3 updates, we are introducing AI-assisted image discovery, which uses our renewed UI to provide accurate image to product data. So this includes generating image descriptions, developing SEO keywords, text recognition, as well as outlier detection. This AI-driven capability allows businesses to automatically generate descriptions and keywords, to read text from images, and it also offers tools for asset curators to ensure data quality during the product enrichment process. So at the end of the day, this enhances data validation before products reach consumers, and it not only saves time, it also improves accuracy. So our next initiative focuses on optimized central authorship. This one is aimed at simplifying the creation and updating of both B2B customer and supplier data. We know that business users face significant challenges whenever creating or updating B2B customer or supplier data. And this is due to the complexities of, on the one hand, ensuring data validity, while on the other hand, managing a high volume of data entry tasks. This initiative supports our vision of delivering a delightful user experience through guided data entry, and it is the continuation of a work spanning multiple updates across 23.2 all the way to 24.1 with features such as automated search before create, address type ahead, data validity concepts, and a brand new data container experience. With the 24.3 updates, we are further expanding the data validity concepts with support for conditional data validity within our multi-edit data containers. This feature allows business users to control which data types are hidden, mandatory, or read-only, and it also ensures value validity. This improves the central authorship and the maintenance of business partners through guided data entries for more time-saving and efficient user experience. These enhancements bring value by making the data entry process more intuitive and efficient. Business users can ensure data accuracy and validity while saving time, ultimately improving the overall user experience and data management efficiency. So now let's move on to our next initiative, gathering asset reference metadata from suppliers. So we know that during product data onboarding, it's important for retailers to be able to collect additional information about assets that are submitted by their suppliers. This information can, for example, be image language or even video metadata. Efficiently managing this data is crucial for optimizing memory usage and simplifying asset management. Our PMDM onboarding channels is a continuously evolving product. In the 24.1 update, we added support for multiple markets, which allowed vendors to provide data points spanning different dimensions. Now with the 24.3 update, we have further enhanced our PMDM onboarding channels product to enable assets to contain specific metadata, otherwise known as asset reference metadata. This approach provides several benefits. First, it prevents asset duplication for each attribute value, optimizing memory usage and simplifying management. Second, it stores metadata at the reference level in PDX rather than on the asset itself. Switching to composites offers greater power and flexibility in asset mapping capabilities, further automating the onboarding process. And finally, configuration is controlled from step, allowing flexibility and efficiency based on business decisions. These enhancements streamline the product data onboarding process. By reducing asset duplication and optimizing memory usage, retailers can now manage assets more efficiently. Storing metadata at the reference level and using composites provides greater flexibility and power in data mapping. Ultimately, this improves overall data management. Okay, so moving on. Let's now explore our AI attribute matching initiative. This one is aimed at streamlining the syndication process for manufacturers and brand owners. So these manufacturers, these brand owners, they often face the challenge of establishing and maintaining mappings between their master data model on the one hand and the various retailers and e-commerce platforms they syndicate to on the other hand. So it's a process that can be time consuming and that can be very complex. With the 24.3 update, we are leveraging AI once again to enhance the syndication process across new and existing channels by offering automated mapping suggestions. This initiative includes several key features. So the first one is automated mapping suggestions powered by AI. The second one is comprehensive recommendations with confidence scores. And the third one is about flexibility for users to be able to override AI-generated suggestions with their own mappings as required. AI attribute matching accelerates the mapping process. It also ensures adaptability and accuracy in maintaining channel mappings. This enhancement reduces the time to value for each new PDX syndication channel, and it also makes the process faster and way more efficient. The next initiative I'd like to talk about is the Amazon Prevalidation initiative. It's designed to simplify the syndication process for both manufacturers and brand owners that are using Amazon market channels. So once again, these manufacturers and brand owners, they often struggle with Amazon's extensive and quite complex validation requirements whenever they are syndicating their data. So long story short, product validity before going live on Amazon can be quite challenging and a time-consuming process. So with the 24.3 update, we are introducing a new option across all Amazon market channels in PDX to address these frustrations. This enhancement includes two things. So the first one is pre-validation of products in any Amazon market channel without the risk of setting them live. And the second one is around the elimination of the back and forth process of publishing and receiving errors. Amazon pre-validation allows users to ensure their products are valid more rapidly and in advance, and this is especially crucial for new product launches. It's a feature that streamlines the syndication process. It reduces the time and effort while also minimizing the risk of errors whenever going live on Amazon. So our final initiative for today's presentation is about enhanced dynamic record management. It's an initiative that is aimed at improving content creation and maintenance for manufacturers and CPGs. These manufacturers and consumer packaged goods companies often struggle to create as well as to maintain below the fold content for their large product assortments because current tools are not scalable enough. This obviously leads to significant manual efforts and of course delays in time to market. So now with the 24.3 update, we've added two new capabilities to further improve the templatized generation of enhanced content. So the first one is that updates to master data upstream are now automatically reflected in the product-specific enhanced content, as well as flagged visually. So this makes the review process as fast as possible. The second capability is around images. Whenever multiple images are available for a specific part of your layout, rules can now be used to narrow down the eligible options or even to select the right image to show automatically. Both these additions further improve the operational efficiency as well as reduce the time to market of content creation and maintenance. This provides the agility needed to quickly meet the needs of the consumer and to stay on top of emerging trends. This completes the overview tour of 24.3. So, on behalf of Stibo Systems, I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to join us today to explore this latest update. But before we wrap up, I really want to emphasize that our quarterly updates are not just about incremental improvements, right? They are part of a broader vision of long-term innovation. With each update, we keep on building on our platform's capabilities to ensure that you always have access to a high-performance, cohesive, and cutting-edge cloud MDM solution. I mean, let's be honest, we are extremely proud to be your partner in data management, and we really look forward to continuing to provide you with the tools you need to succeed. With that said, stay tuned for more exciting updates in the future. And as always, please do not hesitate to reach out with any questions or feedback you might have. So again, thank you. And until we meet again in December for the 24.4 overview, take care and have a good one. Bye-bye, guys.